This is a 1960 Studebaker Champ truck. It's a very interesting truck, and looking at the lights there on the fenders, I would say they're from a Hawk. And the two-tone paint is really nice. I really like that. The mirrors, the side view mirrors, look more modern than 1960. I'd say they're from the 70s. And nice wheels there. The truck bed is protected there. Looks like you could actually use this truck to haul a few things. So well, it's a very nice truck, and some are so beautiful that with wood inlays that you wouldn't want to use it, but this one looks like you could. The interior, beautiful upholstery, nice dash, padded, automatic. Really nice looking truck. And the paint scheme really catches the eye too. Big back fenders here. And that really allows you to get access to the truck bed too. And notice the taillights. They're a custom job if I ever saw one, and very nicely done. Fared right into the truck bed. Whoever designed this and painted it really did an excellent job. And notice the gravel guard here, which is good protection against stone chips. You never know what those front wheels are going to throw back. And the Studebaker hood ornament. Very nicely done, with essentially a Lark front end, Lark face there. Very nice.